in 3, 2, 1, go.
And once again, autonomous underway. What you see is what the human players have programmed the bots to do, and hopefully the robots will obey the programming the way they're supposed to. They were doing pre-field calibrations and a lot of other things to get these programs set up, and hopefully their measurements and their calculations were correct. As the bots now are controlled by the human players, we have 2 minutes and 15 seconds worth of action. As they can score by taking those orange notes up in their robots and scoring either on the side amp, as we see 95-22 trying to do. 94-77 launching from a distance, trying to score at the speaker. However, that could be strategy right there, placing the notes a little closer so they can be more easily picked up. As 1683 dances around the field, he's just outside the subwoofer, shoots and scores 2 points for the Red Alliance as they move ahead with a score of 13-11 with 1 minute and 35 seconds left to go. 69-10 on the side at the amp. If they can drop a note in the amp, that'll be worth 1 point for their alliance. Scoring in the speaker gets them 2 points. Along the side amp gets them 1. As they dance around the field, they can place 2 notes in the side amplifier and then amplify their speaker. If they can score while their speaker is amplified, you'll be able to know that by the speaker being lit up and the dial on the subwoofer at the bottom counting down. They have 10 seconds in which to make some scores. They can change the scoring of the notes from 2 points to 5 points during that amped up cycle here at Crescendo. As 94-77 gets in position, bounces off the bottom of the speaker there and back onto the playing field. There goes 1683 racing around to collect a note down at the blue subwoofer. Up underneath the stage for the Blue Alliance, heading down the field. They're up just outside of the subwoofer, shoots and scores for 2 points as it's now 23-17 with 28 seconds left to go in favor of the Red Alliance. 94-77 that's round, and 1683 scores 2 more points. 1683. That Techno Titan teams showing their techno savvy. And there's 94-77 scoring as well for the Blue Alliance. The Lambda team gets 2 points for their alliance. They're all 3 at the stage for the Blue Alliance as the clock winds down to 0. Each one of those robots parked inside or touching the line on the stage gets 1 point for parking. That's the strategy. Those points can make a difference at the end of the match. Can help catapult you in the rankings as well. And we're waiting to hear the sound of that perfectly tuned engine making music, humming down the straightaway to tell us who was victorious in that match. And I think I hear the music playing as it's coming down the straightaway. It is the Red Alliance victorious with a score of 29-24. 29-24, that was a penalty-free match. They got most of their points at the speaker. Makes a big difference there.